This is the story of Kashmir, a land of breathtaking beauty. For generations, its terrain stood untouched by rail. Nested in the majestic Himalayas, the mountains now echo with the rhythms of progress, connecting journeys, people, and possibilities. Because what once felt out of reach now runs on rails. 272 kilometers of vision, stitching the nation closer than ever. From Udhampur to Baramulla, a lifeline through mountains and rivers, connecting the aspirations of the people, built for the nation, built by belief. And now, electrified with world-class precision. At 1,700 meters above sea level, nature stood firm, but so did we. In partnership with IRCON and Indian Railways, Siemens powered through the most challenging conditions, surpassing snow, stone, and storm. Technology carved its way forward. Dharam to Banihal, 42 kilometers in just 16 months. Electrifying India's longest rail tunnel, 12.8 kilometers through the Pir Panjal range. India's first rigid overhead catenary system for mainline railways. Powered by Siemens' CCAT SR technology. Built for tunnels, bridges and open terrain. Designed for Kashmir's tough landscape and extreme weather. Supports speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour. Pioneering solutions through smart monitoring and digital simulations. A vision electrified. This is a transformation engineered for resilience, for reach, for generations. Journeys made smoother, powering a sustainable tomorrow. From the deepest tunnel to the highest peak, mobility has found new meaning. When nature challenged, we answered with innovation. When the mountains stood still, we moved through them. When the world asked how, India said together. This is not just a rail line. It is India connected. It is Kashmir transformed. It is the future powered by Siemens.